Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Who has been named the recipient of the 59th Jnanpith Award in 2025 for his outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Liu Jiakun of China. Who was honored with the Pauli Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Who won C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Who among the following received the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option E, all of the above. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Anora. Who won the Best Director Award for his film Anora at the 2025 Academy Awards? Correct answer is option B, Sean Baker. Who won the Best Actor Award at the Oscars for his role in The Brutalist? Right answer is option A, Adrian Brody. Who won the Best Actress Award at the Oscars for her role in Anora? Right answer is option C, Mikey Madison. Who has been awarded the Holberg Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Correct answer option A, Narendra Modi. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman 2024 in 2025? Correct answer option C, Bhadresh Das Swami. Who became first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Christine Kalakangalu, who was awarded the Pravasi Bhartiya Samman Award 2025, is the president of which country? Right answer is option A, Trinidad and Tobago. Who has won the Best Actor Award at the International Indian Film Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, Karthik Aaryan. Who won Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for his pioneering research on flood risks? Correct answer is option B, Gunter Blosch. Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, The Brutalist. Who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for Peace and Stability? Correct answer option A, Dalai Lama. Who was awarded the A.M. Turing Award 2024 for technical contribution in the field of computing? Correct answer is option D, both B and C. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 for Hindi? Correct answer is option A, Gagan Gill. Who has been awarded the Digital Transformation Award 2025 in March 2025? Right answer option A, RBI. Who has been awarded the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, R.K. Sriram Kumar. Who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the United Kingdom government? Right answer is option B, Chiranjeevi. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Right answer is option B, 7. Who has been awarded the International Booker Prize 2024? Correct answer is option A, Jenny Erpenbeck. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer is option A. Purnima Devi Barman. L. Subramaniam was honored with the Padma Vibhushan 2025 for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option B. Art. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel, Orbital? Correct answer, option B. Samantha Harvey. Airport has won the prestigious Airport Service Quality Award for the best airport in the Asia-Pacific region for the 7th time? Right answer is option C. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Who received the Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism 2025 in Hindi category? Correct answer, option D. Mridulika Jha. Who won the Best Men's Hockey Player of the Year award at the Hockey India Annual Awards 2024? Right answer is option A. Harmanpreet Singh. Who has become the first footballer to receive the American Presidential Medal of Freedom? Correct answer, option A. Lionel Messi. Who has been honored with the Lifetime Achievement category of UNEP Champions of Earth Award 2024? Correct answer is option B. Madhav Gadgil. Who has won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Physiology or Medicine? Correct answer is option C. Victor Ambrose and Gary Revkun. Tashego Gailai has become the first black woman to be crowned Mrs. World in 2025. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option C. South Africa. Who has won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Physics? Correct answer is option B. John J. Hopfield and Geoffrey A. Hinton. Who was honored with the Nobel Prize 2024 in Chemistry? Correct answer is option A. David Baker, Demis Hassabis and John M. Jumper. Who has won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Literature? Correct answer is option C. Ha Kang. Who has won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Economics? Correct answer is option B. Daron Acemoglu, Simon Johnson and James A. Robinson. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for 2024? Correct answer is option A. Nihon Hidenkyo. Who has been awarded the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option A. Novak Djokovic. Who was awarded the Rohini Nair Prize 2024 for promoting STEM education in rural India? Correct answer is option A. Anil Pradhan. Who won the title of 73rd Miss Universe 2024? Correct answer is option B. Victoria Athewig. Who has been honored with the 34th Vyas Samman? Right answer, option B. Surya Bala. Hatao Miyazaki of which country was honored with the prestigious Ramon Magsaysay Award 2024? Correct answer is option C. Japan. Which Indian received the Whitley Gold Award 2024? Right answer, option A. Purnima Devi Barman. Who received the prestigious IAF World Space Award in 2024? Share your answer in the comment section below and thank you for watching.